Namaste students. Welcome to Tejas Lab. This single concept appears in nearly every G mains paper on current electricity. Miss this, and you lose easy marks. This appears in around 8 to 10% of G papers. Let us understand electric current properly. Most students think electric current is the speed of electrons, like water rushing fast through a pipe. But actually, electrons drift incredibly slowly, just millimeters per second. What flows fast is the energy, the push. Think of a pipe already full of water. You push one end, the other responds instantly. Current is about charge flowing per second, not how fast each electron moves. So what exactly is electric current? It is the rate at which electric charge flows through a cross-section of a conductor. The formula is I equals delta Q divided by delta T. Here, I is current in amperes, delta Q is the net charge in coulombs that passed, and delta T is the time taken in seconds. Notice, bigger charge flow in less time means more current. Just like our water pipe, more water pushed per second means stronger flow. The formula captures exactly that relationship. Now watch what happens on screen. Look at the animated electrons, the cyan particles moving through the conductor on screen. Now let us drag the high voltage cyan net charge delta Q slider to the right. See how more cyan particles appear and move through? That is more charge flowing. The current value displayed increases, the particles look denser, more crowded. Higher delta Q, higher current, exactly what our formula says. Now let us change the stopwatch time interval delta T slider, increase it slowly. Notice the particles seem to slow down, fewer particles cross per second now. Current drops. Same charge, but spread over more time means lower current. This is I equals delta Q by delta T. Beautifully visible right in front of us. You see this every day. Your phone charger delivers current to the battery. Your bulb lights up because current flows through it. In G, always check units first. Charge must be in coulombs, time in seconds, to get amperes. And now, before you go, if this clicked for you, smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon.